Hello everyone. So here we shall solve some KCET previous year questions on the chapter straight lines. So any doubts if you have in any steps, then please write that in the comments section. Because we shall obviously clarify them in the subsequent videos. And in any other chapter of maths, if you feel more difficulty, then also mention the name of that chapter in the comments so that we can give more clarity on it and solve more and more questions on the chapter. Also, some important homework questions will be uploaded in the Sapience education. So please install our Sapience education. Link has been provided in. So here in the first question, told that a straight line is there which passes through the point 2, and this line is perpendicular to the line x plus y, that is so its y intercept is how much that we have to find. Intercept. So let this be the line L1 whose equation we have to find. So this will be equal to y equal to minus 3x plus is equal to plus 3. This is the equation 9. So let's suppose the slope of this line L1 is the slope of this line L2 is, so then M2 will be equal to minus 3 that we have. So since these two straight lines are perpendicular, so we know that the product of their slope should be equal to minus 1. So therefore M2 is minus 3, 1 should be equal to 1 by 3. Therefore the equation of this line L1, I can write it as y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 3y minus 6, that is equal to x 3y, that is equal to x plus 4. So therefore we have to find the y-intercepts. We have to put x equal to 0 here. So if we put x equal to 0, then y will be equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the y-intercept, and B is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if this represents a pair of straight lines, then A equals to how much? So the rule is that if the equation ax square plus bx, ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So if this represents a pair of straight lines, this is a pair of lines, then you can say that the determinant the determinant of ag f equal to, so the determinant of this equal to, so here a is a only, means the coefficient of x square is a, and b is the coefficient of y square, that is minus 1, and h is the coefficient of xy, which is 0 here. B is the coefficient of, b is half of the coefficient of x, that is 2, and 2f is the coefficient of y. F will be equal to minus 1 by 2, and c will be equal to 0 since there is no constant term. So therefore the the determinant of a0 to 2, that is minus 1 minus of 0, that should be equal to 0. That should be equal to 0. So therefore I can say that a into 0 minus of by 4 minus 1 by 4, then plus 2 into 0 plus 2, that should be equal to, so therefore I can say that minus a by 4 plus 4, that should be 0. So a should be equal to 16. A should be, so option 2 is the correct. Then here it is told equation of the straight line making equal intercepts on the axis and passing through the point 4a. So we know that the intercept form is given as x by a plus y by b equal to 1 if a and b are the x-intercept and y-intercept of. Now here it is told that the straight line makes equal intercept, means a and b are same. So I can take this as a. So therefore the equation of the line will be of the form x plus y equals to a. So now it should pass to the point 2 comma 4. Therefore a should be equal to 2 plus 4, 6. Therefore the equation of the line will be x plus y equals to 6 or x plus y minus, and 3 is the correct answer. Then here it is told if the area of the triangle with vertices, here it is told x comma 0 is one vertex, 1 comma 1 is vertex, and 0 comma 2 is 1 comma 1 here. 1 I can take it some, or I can take it some. We have to find the area of this triangle. Now we know that area of a triangle, that is given as half of the determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, y3, where x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 are the vertices of that triangle. That will be equal to half of the determinant of x0 1 1 1 0 2 1 equal to half of a. So here it is told the area is 4 square units. Therefore I can tell x up into, I can tell x into 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 0. That is equal to 4. So actually we have to take the mod of this. Therefore this will be mod of minus x plus 2 equal to 8. Therefore x minus 2 mod of x minus, that is 8. So plus or minus. So x can be equal to 10 or minus 6. So it means that x should be minus 6. Option 3 is the correct. Then told that 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 3 are two opposite vertices of square. Then the other two vertices are, we know that the diagonals should bisect each other perpendicularly. So the midpoint of this diagonal, we have to take, that will be 0 comma 1, 3 minus 1 by 2. So this will be the other diagonal, y is equal to 1. This should be again the midpoint, and these lengths also should be same, since in a square the diagonals are of the same length. Now this is 2 units, this is also 2 units, so this should be 2 units, should be minus 2 comma 1, and this should be the required square. 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma, option 3 is the correct answer. Then here it is told the equation to the line bisecting the join of 3 and 5 and having its intercepts on the x-axis and y-axis in the ratio 1. So this is a line which bisects this line, means it will pass through the point, line bisecting. So it is not told that it is a perpendicular bisect. You can bisect it at any angle. Let's suppose this the required line where it will pass through the midpoint of this line segment, is 3 plus 5 by 2, that is 4 plus 2 by 2, that by 2, that is minus. Steps on the equation, the line bisecting the joint. This is the line. Let's suppose this its slope is m. Then I can say, let's suppose, so suppose I can take that its x-intercept is 2a units, y-intercept is a units. So therefore the equation of the line will be x by 2a plus y by a, that is equal to 1, and it should pass to the point 4 comma. Therefore it should satisfy the equation. That will be 4 by 2a minus 1 by a, that is equal to 2 by a by a, that is 1 by a equal to 1. So a is equal to, therefore x by 2 plus y, that is equal to 1. This is the required equation. This bisector. This we can write x plus 2y, that is equal to 2, and 3 is the correct answer. Now here it is told the distance in between the pair of parallel lines equal to 0. So this x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 8ax minus 8ay. Now this part can write that it is a perfect square of the form x plus y whole square. This like this, minus 8a into x plus y minus 9a to 0. So if we factorize it, then we will get this will be like x plus y whole square minus, I can write 9a square, so I can write minus 9a into x plus y plus a into x plus y, that is equal to, therefore from here I can take x plus y into plus y 9a, then plus a if I take as comma, plus y, therefore it is coming plus y plus a to x plus y minus 9a, that is equal. So these are the two parallel lines which are included in this equation of pair of straight lines. Now therefore the distance in between these two pair of parallel straight lines, distance is, you can say, which is the mod of c1 minus c2 by square root of a square plus b square, where a and b are the coefficients of x and y, and c1 and c2 are the constant terms. So this c1 minus c2, so here c1 is a and c2 is minus 9a, So if you do c1 minus c2, so that will be 10a divided by square root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. So 10 by root 2, that is 5 2s are 10, right? 5 root 2a, 5 root 2a unit. So this is the required distance between the pair of parallel. Option 4 is the correct answer. The equation of a here it is told the equation of straight line which passes through the point P, which is a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta, and perpendicular to the equation of straight line which passes through this point and which is perpendicular to this line, which is x sec theta plus y cosec theta, that is equal to a. So we have to find the equation of this line L1 which passes through this given point and which is perpendicular to this line L2, whose equation is this. So now it means that if the slope of the line L1 is m1 and the slope of this line L2 is m2, then the product of their slope should be equal to minus. So m1 m2 should be equal to minus. Therefore m2 will be how much? So y cosec theta, that will be equal to minus x sec theta plus a. This we can write y equal to minus x by cos theta into, this will be x sec theta by cosec theta. By cosec theta means sin theta plus a sin theta. Y equal to minus x tan theta plus a sin. So here the slope m2, therefore the slope m2 minus tan theta. Therefore m1 should be equal to minus 1 by m2. So minus 1 by minus tan theta, that will be equal to cot theta. m1 will be equal to cot theta and it passes through this point. Therefore the equation of the line L1, the equation of the line will be y minus y1 is a sine cube theta, y minus a sine cube theta, that is equal to cot theta into x minus a cos cube theta. So this will be y minus a sine cube theta equal to a x cot theta minus a cos square theta into cos theta, cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Cos power 4 theta by sin. Therefore, you can write the equation y equal to x cot theta plus a sine cube theta minus a cos power 4 theta by, write it as y equal to x cot theta plus, right, a I can take as common, then we can write sine power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta divided by, and cot theta is also cos theta by sin theta. I can write this, I can write it as y sin theta, that is equal to x cos theta plus a into sine power 4 theta minus cos theta is sine square theta minus theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1. Now here we know that cos square theta minus sin square theta, that will be equal to cos 2 theta. Therefore this can be written as minus cos 2 theta. Therefore I can write x cos theta minus y sin theta, that is equal to a into cos square theta minus square theta, that is equal to a cos 2 theta. Cos theta minus y sin theta, that is equal to a cos 2 theta. That means that D is the correct answer. Then here it is told that if the straight line which is x minus 3y plus 17 equal to 0, that is perpendicular to the line. This line is perpendicular to the line passing through the points 7 comma 17 comma beta, then beta equals to how much? So here, since this line L2 is perpendicular to this line L1, so therefore I can say the product of their slopes should be -1. M1 into M2 should. Now M1 is how much? M1 is the slope of the line L1, which can be written as, will be 2 by 3, equal to 2 by 3, and M2 is equal to, M2 will be, from here we can say y2 minus y1 by minus x1. That should be equal to -1 by m minus 1 by 2 by 3, that is minus 3 by 2. Therefore beta minus 17 by 15 minus 7 is 8, that is that minus 3 by 2. Therefore beta should be equal to minus 3 by 2, 8 plus 17, by 2 into 8 plus 17, the 8, 12, 17, 12, so beta equals to, option C is the correct answer. Hope all of you have understood the solutions of all these questions. Still, if you have any doubts, then please write that in the comments. We'll obviously clarify them. And please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload some important questions based on the previous year KCET, which shall be obviously helpful. Thank you everyone.